In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix exposure in Luminar Neo. If your photos look too dark or too bright, this walkthrough will help you bring them back to a balanced, natural look without making them appear overprocessed. Start by opening your image in the Edit view. The quickest fix is the Enhance AI tool, found in the right panel. Drag the single slider to the right and watch how the software analyzes the scene and adjusts exposure, contrast, shadows, highlights, and overall tone together. Move slowly and stop when faces, skies, and midtones look natural. This is a great baseline that often gets you 70 to 80% of the way there before you fine-tune anything else. For precise control, head to the Light or Develop Raw section, commonly marked with a sun icon. Use the exposure slider to brighten or darken the entire image. Move it right to brighten and left to darken. If bright areas like skies are losing detail, lower highlights to pull information back. If the shadows are muddy, raise shadows to reveal detail without pushing the bright parts too far. Then refine the extremes with whites and blacks. Increase whites to add crisp brightness where needed, and lower blacks to add depth and contrast. Make subtle adjustments and keep revisiting exposure so the image stays cohesive. Turn on the histogram at the top of the edit screen to guide your corrections. The left side represents shadows and the right side represents highlights. If the graph is spiking off the left edge, you're clipping shadows. Off the right edge, you're clipping highlights. Nudge exposure, highlights, shadows, whites, and blacks, until the tones spread more evenly without hard clipping. To be extra precise, enable live clipping masks so you see blue overlays where shadows are crushed and red overlays where highlights are blown. Then dial back until those overlays mostly disappear. If your version includes it, try Auto Adjust inside the Develop tool. It can automatically optimize exposure, shadows, highlights, and tonal balance. Treat it as a smart starting point, then fine-tune with the light controls while watching the histogram to avoid overcorrection. For scenes with uneven lighting, use Relight AI. Increase brightness. Near to lift the foreground and adjust brightness. Far to control the background so you can brighten a subject without overexposing the sky. This is especially helpful for backlit portraits, interiors with bright windows, and landscapes with deep shadows. That's the workflow. Start with Enhance AI, refine with light, verify with the histogram and clipping masks, consider Auto Adjust, and use Relight AI for complex lighting.